Hello and welcome to LeadQuizzes, the number one AI quiz maker for marketers. This is Hamad, your customer success manager. So, do you want to use your CRM or a custom app that doesn't have a native integration yet? No problem. Webhooks are the universal translators that lets you send your quiz data anywhere in real time. Once you're in your quiz, just navigate over to configuration and click on Webhooks. All you need is the webhook URL to enter in both of these content and turn the toggle on. Paste it in and Lead Quizzes will push every lead's name, email, and quiz answers to that URL the moment that they hit the submit. This means instant data syncing without waiting for manual exports. It's the best way to keep your sales funnel moving at a light of speed. Connect your data and automate your growth with Lead Quizzes webhooks. If you still have any questions, just reply or book a quick call. I'm here to help you succeed. Start building your quiz today with Lead Quizzes and watch your leads and your business grow faster. Thank you.